Hey, welcome to Navan. My name's Haley Campbell. I work in the New York office and I'm gonna give you a tour today. Let's go. This is our entrance and front sitting area. You can see employees hanging out here. It's a great place to hang out, work with your colleagues, and not be stuck at a desk all day. As we go through the office, you'll see it's basically one big open space that drives a lot of collaboration regardless of what organization you're in. You may be sitting next to a sales team, a marketing team, or one of our travel agents. On any given day, there's about an average of 160 employees in the office, so plenty of time to see your friends and work together. And your pups are welcome too. Here in the New York office, you'll never go hungry. We have catered lunches daily, plenty of snacks, and cold brew on tap to keep you energized. Have an important meeting? We have just the room for you. Follow me. This is one of our many unique conference rooms, each with its own personality. So whatever the meeting, you'll have the right room for you. This is our all hands area. This is where we meet as a company. We do this frequently to make sure we're in lockstep, but you might catch me here working on a given day too. Well, that's the tour. I gotta get back to work. See ya.